Hello, welcome back to my channel Mathematics with Monica. Now we are starting a new set of videos, ratio and proportion. I hope you enjoy this set of videos because this is the third term, new lessons are starting. Right, let's see, ratio can be used everywhere in day-to-day life. Right, simply your mother is using ratio when she makes your tea or bakes a cake. Every time she is using it. Right, so it's a very common, very similar situation in everywhere. Let's start with our lesson first. And you can see I have a class here which has 15 students. As you can see, we will count how many girls and how many boys in this class. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that means we have altogether 8 girls are there in my class, and I have some boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, then I have 7 boys in my class. So when you take the girls and boys, now we are going to compare these two quantities, which we call ratio. You can see here boys to girls. Okay, it compares boys to girls in the class. In this class we have, so you can see when we comparing these two ratios, which is writing first here is boys, then girls. So when you write this, you have to write as boys to girls, 7 boys to 8 girls, right? 7 to 8. And fractional form I can write 7 over 8. These are the 3 kind of notations we use in ratio. But if you are asked to write the ratio of girls to boys, then girls to boys means you have to write girls 8 to 7, 8 to 7, 8 over 7, like that. Okay, this is how it comes when you compare ratios. Let's see what is ratio. We will take first. The ratio is a comparison of sizes of two quantities. A ratio does not have any units, and so all numbers must be with same units. A proportion is the equation which shows that two ratios are equal. So when you come to equation, we can solve it. Right. First unit is simplifying ratios. When you simplify, these ratios can be divided or multiplied by same number. And no, we can't leave them in decimal form or fraction form. Only we have to keep them in whole numbers. But there are some occurrences we leave in decimal and fraction form. We call that 1 to n form and n to 1 form. So when you convert into 1 to n form and n to 1 form only, we are leaving these ratios as decimals and fractions. So all the other time we have to convert them into whole numbers. Okay. We are taking our first example. Give 225 to 105 in their simplest form. Right, 225 to 105. See whether any common factors are there. When we see, you can divide it by 5 because last number is 5 here. Then when you divide by 5, 225 divided by 5, it's ending up with 45. So I'm writing 45 there. And 105 divided by 5, ending up with 21. So see whether any common factors left again. As you can see, I can divide by 3. So when you divide it by 3, 45 divided by 3 is 15. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So I don't have any common factors here. No common factors. So therefore, this is my final answer, 15 to 8. Right, in the next example, you can see these all are fractional form. Fractional form. I said earlier we can't leave it as fractional form, so I have to remove these fractions. So here I need to have the common denominator. You can see we have denominators of 5, 8, and 2. So I'm going to find the common denominator, which is the LCM. You know how to find LCM early? Right, I'm going to find LCM of 5, 8, and 2. I'm starting with 2. So 5, 4, and 1. Again by 2. 5, 2, and 1. Again by 2. So 5, 1, 1. So then I have 5 there. So I'm starting with 5. So it will be ending up with 1, 1, 1. So the LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So therefore, it is 40. So the method I'm using here is I'm going to multiply each by LCM. So I'm started multiplying. So there, here you have to multiply each quantity by 40. So that means it will remove your denominators. Let's see, 5 times I can divide 40. 5 times 1, 40 we can divide by 8. Then 8 times 1 for 40. 8 times 5. 2 times 1. Then for 40 it's 20. So there's no any other common factor. So you multiply 4 into 8, 32, 7 into 5, 35, and 1 into 20 is 20. So the answer comes to 32 to 35 to 20. So the next example, like we can see, it's in decimal form. So this here, decimal 3.5. So when you have in decimal form, we have to remove the decimal. We can, the method we are using is multiply with multiples of 10. If you have one decimal place, we are using 10. 2 decimal place multiplied by 100. 3 decimal places, 1000, like so on we have to use. So in this question, as you can see, only 1 decimal place. So I'm going to multiply each by 10. So 3.5 multiplied by 10, it is 35. 5 multiplied by 10, 50. And you have to divide by 5 because 5 is common there. 7, then 10. So the answer comes to 7 to 10. Okay, please complete the exercise 1. And yes, this is the basics step of simplifying. So please complete this one and join with my lessons for the next one. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the updates of my new lessons. Thank you and have a nice day.